In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your store ID on Shopify. Understanding how to locate your store ID can be a crucial task, especially if you're diving deeper into managing your online shop's capabilities or integrating new features. Thankfully, the process to find it is quite simple, and I'll guide you through this step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. Enter your login credentials to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your central hub where you can manage and monitor all aspects of your store. Next, take a moment to look around the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tabs on the left-hand side because it's important to be comfortable navigating this space. As you direct your attention to the upper left corner, you'll see the name of your store. Directly beneath this, you should spot a little drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. Now that you've opened this menu, you will see a list of the stores associated with your account. If you have more than one store, simply locate the one you're interested in. This drop-down menu not only helps you switch between different stores but also is a good reference point for double-checking you're working within the correct store before making any changes. Afterwards, navigate to the settings by scrolling down to find the settings option. It's usually located at the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. Once you've accessed the settings, you'll see a variety of options available that let you adjust and fine-tune every little detail of the way your store operates. It's worth spending some time here outside of looking for your store ID, as understanding each section can greatly enhance your store management capabilities. From here, click on General within the settings. The General section collates all the basic yet important information about your store. Scroll through the page slowly and carefully. Look for sections named Store Details where you're provided an overview of your store's essential information such as your store address and contact information. Within the store details, there might be a whole string of numbers and letters at times referred to as storefront access tokens, or in some cases referred to by Shopify support during troubleshooting as your store ID. Note that sometimes, you'll need to reach out to Shopify support or consult developer settings too if this isn't immediately visible, but typically this is where you can locate it yourself. And there you have it. By exploring your Shopify dashboard and settings sections carefully, you can find important metrics like your store ID. This information can be particularly useful when setting up new apps, troubleshooting with support, or integrating third-party services. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Shopify tips and tricks.